Hi guys, we've just arrived. Where have we been here? How long? How long have we been here now? Just about a quarter of an hour or so. Aye, we just got dropped off. Weather is beautiful. Look at that big blob of sun up there. That's the swimming pool. Obviously I'll do a detailed tour, but maybe it's not today. We're just waiting for our room to be ready. It should be ready in about an hour's time. We're in the Sandos Benidorm suites, and obviously I'll do the room tour later on as well. But yeah, it's a very busy hotel. Very good reviews on TripAdvisor and things, and on its own website. We're about 15 minutes from the seafront, so it's a nice walk straight down, we hope. But yeah, it's looking very nice. I'll show you the outside of the building. So we're going to be on floor 10. There's 20 odd floors altogether. So I will do the tour of the hotel. Well, there's a big seating area over here, and then they've got a stage here, obviously for when the summer is, and they'll be able to do the entertainment outside because it gets very chilly when the sun goes down apparently. Well, Spanish chilly. It'll probably not be our chilly. People sunbathing as well. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see what our view is like when we get up the stairs. I'd like to have been on a higher floor, but 10 will have to suffice because she says there wasn't very many rooms left. So there you go. Everything was very smooth today. Newcastle, the security, we were in and out in a couple of minutes. The flight was delayed just a wee bit because obviously they had to defrost the plane because it was -4. There's David, look over there. So they made up time and we got here about 11:15, 10:15 UK time. Straight through security, dead easy. Onto the bus, very well organised jet too, I must admit. Straight onto the bus, had to wait about maybe a quarter of an hour. And off we came. Yeah, so there you go, that's some of the outside for you. And we'll catch you when we do the room tour later on. Good afternoon guys. Well, we've just got our room key, so I'm going to show you the room. What lovely views of the mountains there, isn't it? Right, here we go. We're on the 10th floor, room 1006. Hello. I know. And these are suites, they are.
Suites.
So where do we begin? Shall we begin in the bathroom, do you think? Yeah. So we'll start in the bathroom. Wow. Look at this, guys.
Very nice.
Very nice. So you have a hairdryer on the wall. Hi guys, don't look at my belly please. You've got a nice sink there. Very nice. A walk-in shower with a rainfall head on it. Wow, and then you've got the toilet. Let's see if it's clean, shall we? Yeah, very clean. Lovely, lovely jubbly. That's what you need, and all mod cons. So, there's David getting in the way as usual. Yeah, this is just a decorative door. Did it say on the website?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've just been trying to open it.
Oh, you've been trying to open it. We've got a fridge here, which we'll put our little drinks in. Because we'll have to find out where the nearest super... Oh, there is a bottle of water in there, ready for us. That's good. You've got your 2 cups. This doesn't look very clean though, I must admit. I won't be using that, I don't think. Inside's not bad, but the outside needs to be a bit desired. It's a bit yellow on the top there. But yeah, this is the kitchen bit. And this is our living area. Is there any more lights that we can switch on, David? Oh, yep. There we go. Big sofa. Wow, look at that. Huh? That's massive.
That's where you'll be sleeping if you snore.
Ah, did you hear that? So this hotel's like music themed, so there's music everywhere. Wow. Living room area. And this is our bedroom through here, the double doors. Do, 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 do. Wow, look at this, guys. Huh? How good is that? Huh? Nice picture on the wall. Wowee. At least I'm not drunk doing this. Remember the last time in Egypt? When I did the room tour, I was rather drunk. But this time, I'm not. Plenty of luggage area and storage space and hanging area. And then we've got this side as well. More hangers, his and hers. Wow. So we've got a bedroom and a living room. I'm pleased I picked this place because I was reading all the reviews of all these places and this was really good. So we'll go outside and see the view, shall we? We can choose.
Big handle.
Aye, a massive handle, aye. Wow, what a big balcony this is. Wow. I think it's straight down there. Some further up. I think it's straight down there because further up you can see it. Wow, this is massive. Look at this, David. Definitely impressed with this room, like. This is amazing. Oh, I'm still videoing. I didn't think I was there. So, yeah, I'm very impressed with this. It's lovely. Yeah, a little home from home for the next week. Yeah, I'll just open these curtains and all. Don't like curtains shut through the day. There we go. So there you have it. Our little room tour. Television there. Forgot about that. And did I mention the... Yes, it's got like a plug on either side so we can plug our phones in. So that's handy. Yeah, very impressed. Very, very impressed. So we'll see you all later. Bye for now.